Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn why and how to set up spam security on your website. For this tutorial, we have an online shop with a custom domain already set up. Without spam security set up, you will get an error on the website and submissions from any forms on the website will not be recorded in Teleport HQ. So to fix this issue, we will go to Teleport HQ to the form section and open the settings on one of our forms. From the spam filter section, we will open the Google reCAPTCHA admin link. From the Google admin, create a new project, give it a suggestive name, set up the type of security you want, add the correct domain name, and click the submit button. Now you will need to copy the site key and the secret key that were generated into the security section of the form settings. With the setup part out of the way, you just need to republish the website. Now, the error that we got earlier is gone, and any form submissions sent through the form will be correctly saved inside of your Teleport HQ project. If you have multiple forms, add the security keys to those as well. And that's it.